Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update PHP on cPanel. So, first things you need to do, you need to log in on cPanel. Then scroll down, you need to choose PHP version. So first you can see this is a software. Then select PHP version. Just click on this menu. Then scroll down, then you can see currently I have 8.1, but this PHP version 8.3. so if I want to update this one, just click on 8.3, click on apply. Okay, it's already done. So this is a simple way you can update PHP version on cPanel. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.